Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up Goddess Provisions, my favorite subscription box. I love this, always so good. So there's Emmy. I was like thinking it'd be a great idea to film in front of the natural sunlight, but then I realized you can see like my cluttered space. I was just rebounder. On the rebounder, I like to do that to get some more energy, so ignore the background. Hopefully the lighting's okay. But Goddess Provisions, so good. $33 a month. I will link it down below if you're interested. There is a spiritual theme each month, and you get a bunch of spiritual goodies. You get a crystal usually, and other items related to the theme. It's so well curated. It's so good. I do have a link and a code I'll leave down below to get 10% off your first box, and it works in their boutique too if you want to make a purchase in their shop. If you just want to get like some of the items or one of the items you see in here, or the amazing planner I highly recommend that I showed a few months back. Love that. But yeah, they're very eco-conscious, cruelty-free, vegan. They plant a tree with every box sold. I love God's Provisions. I've been getting it forever. I have God's Provision stuff like literally all over my place. I'm looking around. I'm like, there's got to be like something. And here's the crystal I've gotten from there. Oh, Emmy came. Hi, Emmy. So yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside. I hope you guys are doing well. So the April box, I'm not sure what the theme is. Ooh, it says transform and flourish, which I think is great. By the way, how is the like eclipse energy going for all of you? This is the rebirth and renewal box, and I think this fits in with the eclipse energy. I feel like, you know, the eclipse takes things out of our lives to make way for new a lot of the times. But yeah, each box contains a surprise assortment of items selected with divine intention and blessing that they'd be perfectly aligned for supporting your soul's journey. Awesome. So you get this little art print too. Beautiful, right? And then here is a sneak peek of the items inside. So the first thing we have is an entire kit, the Sacred Spirits Ritual Kit. I embrace all that I am meant to be. I love that the God's Provisions items, the ones they make themselves, always have affirmations on them. I'm such a fan of that. So what comes in here? Sacred holy basil, frankincense resin, rosemary, and a peaceful protection essential oil blend. And ritual inspiration. It'll give you 3 different rituals you can do with the items inside. Candle magic, herbal essence water, and grounding support. Ooh, I'm excited. So I'll just show you everything inside, how it's packaged. So here is our protection oil. And then we have resealable bags here. So here's our frankincense resin. I love this. I'm probably going to burn some later or do their entire ritual. I'll have to look into that. Definitely, I feel like would be a good idea today. I should do a cleanse. I did cleanse my floor yesterday, and I put a little bit of Florida water in my water to clean the floors. I love doing that, cleansing the energies, you know. So it talks a little bit about what frankincense is here, sacred holy basil, and the rosemary. So I am excited. I always love getting more herbs, and this is a resealable pouch too, so you can keep everything in here and you have enough to do all of these amazing rituals. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, I don't know what one I'm going to do yet. Here are what they look like. I won't read them all to you if you guys wanted to like screenshot and see what the rituals were or anything like that. Awesome. Let's move on. The next is Infinite Cycles Grass. Ooh, sun catcher. Sorry. Hang this sun catcher in your window to remind yourself of the endless beautiful cycles life brings. Oh, I had this before and part of it broke. I think I still have part of it hanging somewhere. I think Emmy was playing with it, you know, because it hangs. See, there we go. Beautiful. So we have the moon, there's a crescent moon, some engravings, Ouroboros, the infinity symbol, and here's a little sun catcher. I love stuff like this. I'm looking up on my glass slider doors here. I have some things similar to this. Ooh, so cool. Okay. I already have these, so I'm not going to open them. I am actually doing a giveaway on my other channel, Kitty Rising, where I'm giving away a package full of spiritual goodies and also a free tarot reading. So this will go in there because I'm definitely going to add some stuff in this box, including this. This is 7, are there 7 in here? 7 Oracle trading cards, I call them. Collector's Edition 2022. So what ones are these? I'm not sure exactly what ones these are, but I have all of their decks, and I love them. So Series 2. So this will be in that. It's in the April pick a card reading over there. If you guys are not already subscribed, Kitty Rising is my second channel where I do tarot pick a card readings. So please check it out and enter this giveaway. I don't think a lot of people entered, so the chances are really high as of now. So I'll link that video down below along with my channel if you're into tarot. So this will be going into there. Next up, and sorry I'm not showing you it. I just don't want to open it or touch them and stuff because it's going to go to one of you guys. Oh, this is cute. I have this. I can show you this. This will probably be going in the giveaway too. The Mushroom Magic DIY Altar Shelf, the perfect place to display your crystals. I connect with the cycles of life. So let me show you the shelf here. I have a little thing here. I'm taking the crystals out. This is what it looks like. So it's super cute. I put little crystals on display on this. Isn't it cute? Awesome. See, I told you I have a bunch of God's provision stuff within reach. And then we have this peacock ore, or Chico-Pyrase. Am I saying that right? Beautiful crystal. Peacock ore is easier to say, but it's like related to the pyrite crystal, fool's gold, but it has this beautiful purple and blue in it. Love that. And then the last thing we have, ooh, I love this, the Solar Radiance Brass Bookmark. I read a lot and I'll have a lot of books going on at once, so I could totally use another one of these. Isn't this cute? I love it. How fun. All these items are so usable, like so easy to integrate into your current routine. Oh. And also it helps inspire you to get back into your spiritual practice, you know, whatever you do. Like, I think it's so great. I love getting it every single month. So definitely recommend. Again, I will link them down below along with this code, 10% off the subscription and anything in their boutique as well. So let's just do a little recap. So we have this beautiful brass bookmark. We have these little cute shelves for your crystals or anything else you want to display on there. Oops. We have our entire sacred ritual kit. So this is awesome. This is like considered one item, but you get multiple items in one. And the rituals, so you get like guidance on how to use the items. And then we have our sun catcher and then the crystal. And so pretty. So that was everything, you guys. Let me know what you think. Again, if you're interested in subscribing, highly recommend. It's a great gift to give as well if you know any spiritual goddess-like ladies or gentlemen that you want a gift. I will link them down below. I'll also link that giveaway. Please enter if you're interested in this type of stuff. And also check out my tarot readings. That would mean so much to me. I'm really trying to grow that channel. But thank you guys so much for being here. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.